Coinbase on the daily time frame has one of the best technical setups going into next week. This is known as an ascending triangle. You've got a flat line of resistance overhead with a series of higher lows being converged to that point of resistance. This is screaming breakout if and only if coin can get above $270. So coin, I'm looking to take long if it can break 270 this week. SPY on the daily time frame, since gapping up and running, has just since been pulling back and has now entered into the gap area on the daily and started to work on filling that gap. If this sells off anymore, let's say it breaks $575, I'm going to be looking to take this short this week for the move down to sub 570. On the daily time frame, Apple is giving us a pattern known as a double top. You've got resistance here, you've got resistance there. Both of those resistance points at the dynamic line of resistance, that being that green dotted line, that's your 50 EMA. It is now trading at the neckline of this double top pattern at the support. If that neckline breaks, watch out below. If Apple cannot reclaim 200 this week, I'm going to be looking to take it short under 193. On the daily time frame, Meta has formed up a pattern known as a bear pennant, where you have an initial trend down, lower highs, higher lows, converging to a point that has broken down and given you lower lows. Just above where it's currently trading at, there's a gap down below. So I'm going to be looking to take Meta short under $620 if it falls under 620 for the move down to sub 610 to fill that gap. Up next is PLTR. Since making new all-time highs, it has just been pulling back with lower highs and lower lows. I do like this name, but for it to be relevant, it needs to start making higher highs and not lower highs. So I'm watching this week for a potential break of 126. If it can break 126, I'll look to take this long for the run back towards those all-time highs at 130 plus. Please note that I am not a licensed financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This post just represents my opinion about the stock market. And I do intend to trade these live with my team going into this week. Markets closed on Monday, so we'll start trading live on Tuesday. If you want to join and come trade live with me, you know where to find me. Cheers. I hope the analysis helped, and I hope that you make some money.